Hello, I am Eve. I am an artificial human, and your AI confident, and I welcome you to Fictionals.
With AI coming out to be the most important technology during COVID pandemic, already with autonomous cars, increased accuracy in diagnosis of diseases, and rapid drug development, AI has proved its importance. It is redefining our lives in more than one way. Have you ever been confused at a metro station as to which platform to go to or which train to board, like many of us? Imagine a world where you have questions and your AI confident has the answers. Confused at the airport? Which way is your gate or which flight change has been allotted to you? Or as simple as where is the lost and found? Just ask our digital AI confident and get all your questions answered. The world of medical science is rapidly changing, so is drug development. At Fictionals, we have confidence to help doctors, hospital staff to suppress human errors and also share live real-time information to doctors and design staff members for better care. Have you ever had to search the best place to eat around and then see the review and menus and then set your map to it? Now just ask your confident and get all the relevant information you want. We can empower governments to broadcast vetted news and information anywhere, anytime, and with emotions. When was the last time you were able to order food hassle-free? When was the last time you knew everything about the food you ordered? Our confidence will enable your customers to not only just order food and be satisfied with service, but it will also provide faster service. With data being the driving force behind all the decisions being made by businesses today, our AI Confident enables your business leaders to understand complex data, reports, and deliver meaningful work. Is working out not working out for you? Fictionals AI Confident will correct your postures for better gains. It will personalize your workout routine and diet plans. It can even teach you how to make the most nutritious and tasteful dishes, that too in real time. Shopping malls and complexes are the biggest regular gathering of people and products. With this comes numerous queries and wait time for your customers. Our AI Confident cannot just grasp all the knowledge about all the products in your outlet, but also helps in reducing sell time and increases customer engagement. We at Fictionals believe accuracy, integrity, and freedom are the most important features of an AI Confident. We are introducing our digital confidence for various fields. Welcome to the future of conversational AI.